Hosted by Chrissy. Today I'm sharing with you my latest thrift finds. And I have a question for you. Would you like to see thrift finds as I haul them? Or would you prefer to see thrift finds maybe on a Thrifty Thursday? Let me know what you think about that idea down below in the comments. I have some wonderful finds to share with you. I stopped at a thrift store on my way home from an appointment yesterday, and I just want to share with you what I picked up. So let's go ahead and get started. Start with the small things first. First one is this really super cute wooden picture frame. I do like to have wooden picture frames in my family room space. We keep a lot of family photos there, and it's kind of an I don't know what you call this, like some kind of a wooden stand, and it swivels. But this one was 99 cents. Frames similar to this are usually like $5.99, $6.99, so I thought this was a great bargain. Next piece, I have a very small collection of milk glass, and I love the shape of this little vase. This little vase was also only 50 cents, so I couldn't pass it up. I only got one milk glass piece, but this is a unique one to my little collection, and I love the hobnails on it too. Next, I got a set of 3. They're little decorative, I guess they're just leaves. So I'm going to try to show them all at once. So this one will actually hold like little mints or something like that. They're silver. And then I have 2, they're kind of like maple leaves. I have 2 smaller ones. They would hold something similar too. And these would also look nice on a fall tablescape. So I'm sure I'll be using these for that purpose later this year. I found this really adorable wine decanter for 50 cents. It'll look great on my bar cart, and I can't wait to place it on there, and it'll go with any decor. It's clear. I mean, it's neutral as you can get, and I couldn't believe the price. Next, I picked up 2 candlesticks. These were one of the more expensive pieces that I found. These were 2 for $5. But look at them. They're just gorgeous, and I saw something similar at Michael's, and I really wanted them, and the smaller one like this, which wasn't even as heavy, was $13.99 at Michael's. So I just thought this was a good buy, and I'm going to put these on my foyer haul table. I'm also collecting items for my outdoor space because hopefully that'll be approaching for us all soon. This piece was $1.50. It's iron, and it is like a sconce or candle holder. I'm going to put a candle holder in the middle of this one, and I thought this was a really good buy. It's really heavy, and it'll go with any decor out there. I have some outdoor lighting, but of course, you know, you always need more out there. So I can't wait to use this. It's got like a rope design on the bottom of it, on the base, and I just love it. And for $1.50, it was just a fantastic buy. I'm going to have to stand up and show you the other item that I bought. It is a larger piece, and it only cost me $15. I'm going to have to do a little DIY to it to bring it up to date, so to speak. But I love it, and I think that you'll be pretty impressed too. So I'll show you that in a few seconds. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. Make sure you leave a thumbs up if you like the items that you see today. Also, feel free to share this video and leave any comments down below as well. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and let's go ahead and get started. During my thrift hunt, I found a set of 2 nesting tables. I picked up both of these tables for $15. Each has an inset piece of smoked glass for the tabletop. I found this firelight glass vase for $1.99. This one was not half off. These are usually about $50. It's a very thin glass, and the oil that goes in it is specifically for this container. I was able to find the oil for sale on Amazon for $6.